Hi, I'm Curly Sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to my channel. I wanted to hop on today to just let you know that I have a free gift just for you. Well, anyone who's watching my channel, and I hope you've subscribed. If not, why not? Why not? Come on, join the Curly Sue family. So the free gift looks like this, and it's available to anyone who wants to click on the link in the description below, just down here. And when you click on the link, it will take you to a page where you can download the free recipe booklet. And this is my free gift just to you because I now have over 6,000 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for each and every one of you, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. So I'm really pleased. So if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, because it helps me to make more great videos just like this one. And in addition to that, I would love to know, what sort of videos would you like me to make? Do you have any special recipes you'd like me to make? Do you have any desserts, anything, or any other kind of plant-based related videos? Comment in the comment section below, because if you don't tell me, I don't know. So I would love to know, and I'm going to basically make a list and start making some videos that are requested by my viewers, subscribers, basically you. So I'd be really grateful if you just talk to me, people, talk to me and let me know what you would like me to make. So 6,000, I reached the 6,000 milestone a while ago, but I've been busy doing quite a lot of things. I still have a kids cookbook that's out. Obviously the COVID-19 global pandemic kind of disrupted the book tour, but I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to get a copy of my vegan cookbook for kids, that's the link in the description below as well. So I'm going to be posting probably twice, going to try to get to 3 times per week because I've got a lot of content. Oh, I also have a radio show that I've started. The radio show is my own program. It's called Curly Sue's Plant-Based Kitchen, and I will let you guys know every time it goes live with the program. I don't have the date yet, but the radio station is called Adventist Radio, and it's based here in the UK. And I've started recording the shows already, but the shows also are recorded for video, so I'm going to be posting the half-hour video shows for you as well. So I'd love your feedback on that as well. That would be really great. And if you would like to be a guest on my show, I do it via Zoom, so you can be anywhere in the world. Comment in the comment section below, or reach out to me on Instagram. If you just inbox me on Instagram if you'd like to be a guest on my show, I'll be more than happy to do that. And I've also got a vegan and sustainability gift guide coming out for Christmas, so it will be packed with lots of great gift choices that you can buy for your friends and family. And I just really enjoyed putting this together because a lot of the suppliers are small business owners, and I really like to help the small business owners, because particularly now at this time with the global pandemic and everything, a lot of small businesses have been suffering. So this is to kind of my way of giving back to helping small businesses and helping them to get some visibility. So once you see the vegan gift guide, I'll do a separate video about that. Then please share, and this video as well. Please share it wherever you are, on social media, on WhatsApp, everywhere. Share it with your friends. Everyone is welcome to have a copy of my free recipe booklet, and it's just for you. I'm going to be doing some more. I'm also going to be doing a Christmas one, and I'm also going to be doing replacing eggs, and also for your store cupboard as well, because at the time of recording this video, it was a couple of days before the second lockdown, national lockdown in the UK. So I've created a store cupboard staples, what to put in your store cupboard if you're a vegan, you know, some ideas, because some people are vegan or they're new to plant-based and not sure what to do, or even if you're a vegan and you've been it a long time, you're probably not sure what to stock up on. So I've got like a one-pager that you can download from my website for that, and my website is here. I'll just put the link here, so please go to my website and check out all the free stuff that's going to be on there as well. So thank you so much for watching. It's been great seeing you, well, kind of seeing you. It's been great connecting with you. Please contact me comment in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'd love to, and if you make any of my recipes, tag me on Instagram as well. So all I've got left to say is eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye.